your category. Bolero.
Napakagaling.
Masarap ulamin.
This is worth 7,000 and this is World War II. Go ahead, Ryan.
Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry, is it correct? Blackboard, please reveal. Stephen Curry is correct. Plus 7,000. You now have 16,000. Matet and Ian, Ronnie and Boy, pwede pa kayong humabol. So, here's your category. Luluwag na?
I salute you.
I salute you daw.
Sana nga.
Sana nga. Lumuwag na. For 9,000. Kamay sa likod, tingin lang po sa blackboard. Quiet everybody because this is World War III. Go ahead, Matet.
Highway Patrol Group.
Highway Patrol Group. Is it correct? Blackboard, please reveal. Highway Patrol Group is correct. Matet and Ian, you also have 16,000 and for the first time ay meron tayong tie sa World War. So, sa pagbabalik natin, malalaman na natin talaga sino sa Eigenmans, De Leon and Quezon ang maglalaro at posibleng mag-uwi ng 500,000 pesos. Stick with us. This is Celebrity Black Season 11. Alin ang dapat tanggalin? Siya.
Eto, dapat tanggalin na.
Teka, ang dahil may inuulugan.
And Matet and Ian. So we have to say thank you for playing with us, Ronnie and Boy too.
Salamat.
Yes, thank you.
Yan.
So step back, moral support to the Eigenmans. Wow, napakabait naman. Opo. Opo. Cherie, Ryan, Matet, and Ian, eto na po. Ang maglalaro daw para sa Eigenman, Ryan. At para sa De Leon, Ian. Here's your category. Birthday.
Happy.
Single. Listen.
This is the tiebreaker word puzzle, and this is World War IV. Go ahead, Ryan.
Beyonce.
Beyonce, is it correct? Blackboard, please reveal. Beyonce is correct. Thank you, Matet, Ian, Boy 2 and Ronnie. This way, please. Bye.
Bye!
De Leon and Quezon, thank you. We enjoyed playing with you. Please play again with us. Ingat kayo dyan.
Ingat, ingat.
Ingat kayo dyan. Oh, ay, bye-bye. Okay naman. Oh, ano to ba? Ay! Tingnan ninyo talaga ugali ninyo. Ba't yun naman pinakain? Pambihira. Pambihira! Nakahabol pa! Ay, naman! Cherie and Ryan. Ikaw talaga, Cherie. Ninenervyos ka pa. Binuhusan mo pa ng tubig yung blapper namin. Tapos nakarating ka hanggang jackpot round. Next! Okay, Cherie and Ryan, isang tanong lang to. 6 na posibleng sagot. Pero 4 lang ang tama. Tandaan ninyo, sa round na ito, ang sigurado ay...
Panalo!
Let's play round 3 and this is the final four. Each correct answers worth 25,000 pesos. 4 perfect answers is equivalent to 100,000 pesos plus a chance to play for a jackpot round worth 500,000 pesos. Woo! First, you have to choose your category. Blackboard, please reveal. Sila na. Kayo na. Choose the category.
Sila na? Sila na.
Pareho lang naman eh, sila at kayo.
Sila na.
Sila na.
At sa kategoryang sila na, ay narito ang inyong tanong. Blackboard, what is the question? Cherie and Ryan, ayon sa second semester 2015 Makati Business Club Outlook Survey, alin sa mga sumusunod ang kabilang sa top 4 best performing government agencies? At narito ang 6 na posibleng tamang sagot. And that is Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Philippine Economic Zone Authority, Department of Trade and Industry, Department of Foreign Affairs, Security Exchange Commission, and Department of Tourism. Please choose 4.
DFA.
DFA, please.
Bangko Sentral.
BSP.
Department of Tourism. DOT.
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 Pesa.
Peza, please.
Laga.
So, magbibigay din ng opinion ng ating bluffers.
DTI.
Etong Boy Scout of the Philippines, alisin niyo na to.
Hindi, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Boy Scout.
Maintain niyo yan.
DTI.
Department of Trade and Industry.
Marami
DTI.
kasi nag-aano eh.
Ikaw,
DTI.
Lavinia.
I think you should include DTI.
Alin ang dapat tanggalin? Siya.
Eto, dapat tanggalin na.
Teka, ang dahil may inuulugan. Wag.
Anong dapat tanggalin?
Bangko Sentral ako.
Tanggalin ang BSP. Okay, Sherry and Ryan, you still have time to change or not to change. Depende, okay? That's for 30 seconds and your timer starts now.
We agree with the fact that the Department of Trade and Industry could possibly be more successful.
bilisan natin, ano?
Than, PESA.
Pesa tanggalin?
Instead of PESA.
DTI po ang ipasok. Okay, you still have 11? Okay, time is up and that is your final four. BSP, DFA, DTI, and DOT. Revelation time. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas for 25,000. Is it a fact? Yes, it's a fact. Yes, 25,000. Because BSP is number one. Yay, yay, yay for you, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Next, we open Department of Tourism, DOT, for 50,000 already if you get this. Is it a fact? Yes, correct! DOT is number 3. Wow! Tuloy-tuloy ang revelation. Okay. Department of Foreign Affairs, naka 75,000 kaya kayo already? Blackboard, is it a fact? Oh, wow! 75,000! Wow! Pinalitan ninyo ang PESA at pinili ninyo ang DTI. What made you change? Cherise is not because sabi ng bluffers, DTI?
Yeah. Also, dahil hindi na sila bluffers ngayon eh. Parang,
You trust them na?
I trust them na.
Wow! Maraming salamat naman. Well, friends na ngayon, ha? Maka 100,000 kaya si Cherie and Ryan. Please stick with us. This is Celebrity Bluff Season 11 with Ryan and Cherie.
Start the day, let's have some fun. And always busy till the day is done. Pero check na check pa rin kasi my hair is so bango, morning, hapon, and gabi. Oh my, oh my, oh my, smell check pa lang bango'y okay na. Oh my, oh my, oh my, kilig ang feeling at pansin din nila. Check sa palmolive, check ang hair ko.
Yeah.
Blessing.
Oh, di ba? Wow, parang hindi kontrabida. Ang galing. So, pasok na ang BSP, DFA, and ang DOT. Tingnan natin kung pasok ang DTI for 100,000. Cherie and Ryan. Tama ba na nagpalit kayo? Blackboard. Is it a fact? Because what is the fact? Ay, ay, ay! But it's okay. You have 75,000. Kain na tayo! Yes, kain na kayo.
So on me.
Nasaan si Jose?
Nag-walk out.
Saan yung nagsabi ng BTI? Nasaan na?
Walk out.
Bubay, hindi ako.
Ikaw nagsabi ng ipasok ng
Bubay.
BTI eh.
And,
Ikaw eh. Okay. So see you next Saturday.
Sabado
mga
tayo.
kapuso. This is Celebrity Black Season 11.